It's no surprise that people are still talking about the Sunset Auto Family dealership's great customer service. Mike B. had this to say: "Sunset is always on their game and provide excellent service. I expect that and have always received nothing less than the best." A customer that wanted to remain anonymous wrote in, "I recently purchased a car from Sunset Chevrolet. Excellent customer service. The staff was helpful, friendly, and knowledgeable, and made sure my time there was stress-free. I was extremely happy to be treated like I was an important customer, not just a sale like some of those other places." Just a couple of the hundreds of positive social media comments from happy Sunset Auto Family customers. Your Sunset Auto Family vehicle will always be taken care of by skilled and experienced technicians. Be sure to ask about warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, and Sunset's all-new maintenance for life. They're Sunset exclusives, extras that'll save you thousands down the road. You just get more when you're part of the Sunset Auto Family, and people do like that.